All right, you are welcome once again to my platform. Today I'm going to teach you short division method by cancellation method. We call it cancellation method. Okay? As you advance in your study of mathematics, you need to acquaint yourself with the skills of using cancellation method instead of using long division method, okay? So today I'm going to show you how it works. It's very simple. As you listen and pay attention, you discover that it's the best method. All right, I'm going to be treating two examples. Look at example 1. Divide 1,842 by 3, and the second one says divide 80,124 by 4. It's very simple. Watch the way I'm going to do it, right? So take your time. Leave enough space at the top. I'll write my number 1,842 divided by 3. Good. The one question I will need to ask myself is, can 3 divide this number perfectly without any remainder? Now, from your rules of divisibility, a number is divisible by 3 when its sum is divisible by 3. Again, a number is divisible by 3 when its sum is divisible by 3. So I'll quickly give a check. 1 plus 8 gives me 9. 9 plus 4 gives me 13. 13 plus 2 gives me 15. Right. Can 3 divide 15? Of course, it will go 5 times. So that's all. Since it can go perfectly, I now know that 3 can go into this number without a remainder. See how I'm going to do it. Just the way I did the long division method is almost the same thing. See, I'll pick the numbers one after the other. 3 into 1 is not possible. Write 0. Join the second number to it, it becomes 18. 3 into 18, how many times will it go? It will go 6 times because 6 times 3 is 18. So write the 6 at the top. Is there any remainder? No remainder. I pick the next number. 3 into 4, how many times? Once. Remainder 1. Remainder goes 1. Carry the remainder, bring the remainder here. It becomes 12. 3 into 12, it goes how many times? 4 times. Because 4 times 3 gives me 12. So now that it has gone perfectly, 3 here, 1, 3 into this. So you cancel it, I now have this. Note that this 0 before the real number is insignificant. So my final answer is 614. That's all. I told you this method is the simplest. All right, let's go to example 2. All right, so I'm going to write this number so that I'll leave a space where I'll write it at the top. All right, this is 80124 divided by 4. I will give it a check. Okay, how do I know whether 4 can divide this number without a remainder? Is very good. I will go back to the memory lane of rules of divisibility of 4, which says a number can be divisible by 4 when its last 2 digits are divisible by 4. You see, we consider the last 2 digits. For example, 12 are the last 2. If this ends with 12, 4 can go into 12, 4 can go into 16, 4 can go into 24, 4 can go into 20. So in rules of divisibility of 4, a number is divisible by 4 when its last 2 digits are divisible by 4. So let's go. We pick the number one after the other, don't forget. So now I have known the 2 last digits is 24. 2 can go into 24, so I can cancel now. 4 into 4, 1. I'll cancel all. 4 into 8, it will go 2 times, no remainder. 4 into 0, is 0. 4 into 1, it cannot go, right? 0. Now, join it with 2, which gives me 12. Don't forget, when you borrow one number, we say it's 10, or you carry a number, you say it's 10. The reason is because the numbers are in base 10, so each one you carry means 10, right? So 4 into 12, it goes 3 times. 4 into 4, 1. So my final answer is 2, 0, 0, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, comma. That gives me 20,031. That's all. I'm done. You see how simple this method is. No stress. So whether they are high numbers or small numbers, with a short or cancellation method, you easily simplify your work without any stress. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. That's where we draw the curtain for today. If you have not subscribed, I've always told you, subscribe immediately. I'll be posting videos that will benefit you as you advance in your studies. God bless you. All right.